Okay, we're in a 2015 Sierra Denali dually diesel, and we've got this has every single option as air-conditioned seats. Miles are 23,000 and change. I can't figure out how to make the dashboard light up with the miles. Turn that off. Sometimes you open the door, close the door. I have no idea. The miles are 23,000 and change, but I don't know exactly what they are. Leather interior. Everything is perfect on the inside. Everything's perfect on the outside. Clear Carfax, no accidents. This is a beautiful, beautiful truck. 4x4, memory seats. It's got all sorts of extra buttons and whistles and pedal control and sway bar. Something here. I don't know what that is. 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 But it's got it. Whatever it is, it's got it. It's got OnStar. I know this is cruise control, and this is the stereo, and it's got paddles in the back also. Half a tank of gas, 14 on the volts, perfect oil pressure. This is a diesel also. Next time to change the miles is 26,776. Right now it's got 23 and change on it. Service has just been done. Beautiful truck. Okay, that's it.